How to fix NordPass for Mac not uninstalling. Here's a script file you can use to uninstall NordPass for Mac. 1. Open your preferred text editor, such as TextEdit or Sublime Text, and create a new file. 2. Copy and paste the following script into the file, #bin/bash. #uninstall NordPass sudo rmrf/application/nordpass.app sudo rmrf/library/application support /nordpass sudo rmrf/library/caches/com.nordpass.NordPass sudo rmrf/library/containers/com.nordpass sudo rmrf/library/preferences/com.nordpass.NordPass.plist sudo rmrf/library/savedapplication-state/com.nordpass.Nordpass.SavedState. Echo NordPass has been uninstalled successfully. 3. Save the file with a .sh extension, e.g. uninstall_NordPass.sh. 4. Open terminal and navigate to the directory where the script file is saved. 5. Run the script by typing /uninstall_NordPass.sh in terminal and pressing enter. 6. You will be prompted to enter your admin password. 7. Wait for the script to finish running. Once it's done, NordPass should be completely uninstalled from your Mac. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.